Welcome to our guide on how to manage business mailroom permissions in Docyt. Docyt provides permission levels that control access and responsibilities within the business mailroom. Understanding these permission levels is crucial. Business mailroom permission levels. None. Users with this access level have no permission to view or manage the business mailroom data, including the Reconciliation Center module. Uploader. The uploader role has been modeled to resemble its counterpart in the receipt box. If a user is assigned the uploader role in the business mailroom, they are granted the following permissions. Upload documents. Users with the uploader role can upload documents into the business mailroom. View uploaded documents. These users can view the documents uploaded into the business mailroom. However, they can only view the documents that they have uploaded personally. Admin. Users with this level of access can access all features in the business mailroom, including the Reconciliation Center module. By effectively managing business mailroom permissions in Docyt, you can maintain control over incoming mail and documents, ensuring streamlined organization and efficient handling. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.